Chalky white spots can appear when changes within the enamel affect how the tooth surface reflects light. A dental professional first evaluates the white spot to understand its appearance, extent, and possible underlying cause. Some white spots involve changes beneath the enamel surface, causing light to scatter differently and creating a chalky appearance. The tooth surface may first be processionally cleaned and prepared before the most appropriate treatment approach is selected. Depending on the cause and depth, a dentist may recommend a minimally invasive approach to manage the affected enamel. For suitable cases, professional treatment may reduce the visual contrast between the white spot and surrounding enamel. Some early enamel changes may also benefit from professional guidance focused on supporting mineral balance and enamel health. The tooth is evaluated again to assess the result and determine whether any additional professional care may be appropriate. White spot appearance may improve with appropriate care, but results depend on the cause and condition of the enamel. This video is for general education only. For enamel concerns, please consult a qualified dental professional.